Structural adhesives are an important part of many industrial assembly processes. An innovative alternative to traditional mechanical fasteners, they improve product durability and aesthetics overall. Methyl methacrylate, or MMA, is a popular choice for structural adhesion, offering excellent environmental resistance and permanent toughness. Yet, while there are many MMA options available on the market today, one product line in particular stands out from the rest. Bostik, backed by Arkema's expertise and patented technology, formulates a range of MMA adhesives that bring unmatched value to the structural adhesives market. Bonding to many dissimilar substrates such as metals, plastics, and composites, Bostik's MMA provides up to 25 times more flexibility than other available options. As a result, this makes it more durable and better equipped to handle harsh applications. Additionally, with a high degree of thixoptropy, Bostik's MMA is able to hold its shape even when applied to vertical surfaces. This patented physical property means less adhesive is used and application accuracy is enhanced, yielding cost savings and waste reduction. Furthermore, Bostik's MMA can withstand extreme weather and temperature ranges, making it ideal for many industrial applications by increasing product longevity. And with Bureau Veritas certification, manufacturers are assured that Bostik's MMA helps build the highest quality parts and vehicles in the industry. With enhanced performance properties over other options, Bostik's MMA is the smart choice to make for many structural adhesive applications.